back to my channel, and you already know it's Candice here again with another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to refresh your braids. My braids are looking so old right now. So yes guys, if you have old braids, you know, so you're ready to take them out yet and you want it to stay longer, just continue watching the video and you will know how to. Guys, make sure you watch my other video them. Just upload a video, you know, so make sure you check it out and check out my other videos. I'm going to be putting the card up here with my most recent video, which is my beach vlog. So yes guys, and that's my first vlog guys, and I'm proud of myself. So just go and check it out guys. Thank you once more for your continuous support. But let's get into the video because I can't talk too much now. What we're going to be using is a toothbrush, a gel. So guys, I got a new gel because the other one was finished. So I have the green bottle one, which is argan oil. The other one was olive oil. So yeah, your girl stock up, get new gel and a tail comb in case your hair needs to part, and edge booster. Anything that can hold your edges, you need to use that. So yeah, so let's get straight into the video. We're gonna start. So you can use elastic bands to, you know, like get your hair out of the way. Alright, so as you can see, this one is growing out far, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix up this part. And you have wash over my ear, you know, like wash my ear. Once you can get the part properly, you try and do that. So now you're going to want to bring up everything in one. So now you're going to take your gel, and put so I'm going to use the top because this new, you see me? Don't smell ear products guys. So now I'm going to put some of the gel on the hair, right? Put it down, make it sleek down, you see me? Make it sleek down. And you don't have to use gel now, you can use water, but gel will hold longer. You see me? Alright, so when you do that now, you're going to use your brush. You're going to brush it in and fix it up. You brush it in and fix it up. Right? Now I'm going to be using my edge booster, any edge control you have. This one that I'm using is Ocean hair wax. Yes, I'm supposed to know this, like this whole ear. So yeah, and it smells like, that one smell like bubble gum. If you don't know bubblegum smell, bubblegum, yeah. Bubblegum she knows say as she may talk. Sometimes I can put a little bit, you see me? Cause this I got all the ear. See, long, you see me? So why may I say that so much time? Alright, so now let's start brushing it in. So you see when you brush it into how you like it, when you finish brushing it into how you like it, you're going to hold the hair, everything together, and you're going to twine it around until it tight, or until you want it to stop. So it's going to look something like this. You can zoom in to make you see how it looks. So it's going to look like that. And you just put it behind your ear. And I'm going to do this also for the second one. You just fix up. When you finish, you can do over your edges, but I just saw, you see. So that's how you do it. That's how you get it done. Like, look, just compare over here. So over here, so look sleek down to over here. So we're going to do the other one. Get your gel, get your part out, take your braid. I hope you guys are staying home, you know. I hope you guys are staying home. I hope you guys are staying home. I'm just going to continue this process. So, yeah. See that? Nice, nice. Nice, nice edges. And you just look at the two of them and tell me. So yeah. We're going to continue look. I know I'm starting to see a big difference. So
Few moments later.
So guys, I'm going to catch up my hair now and fix it up better and everything. So I'm going to hot water my hair. Yes, and I think I'm going to curl the end. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm going to do one of those. I'm going to do those, yes, and yeah. So watch me catch up my hair. Talk truth. The braids them look like them just do. I'm going to be using some elastic bands. And also a lace, but I use an elastic first. And then I take both of these, use the lace. So now I'm going to do my edges. I'm going to be doing my edges. I don't know what edges I have to do. So I'm going to do edges. So we curl, and I'm going to only be using this. I'm going to tie the edges down. When I tie the edges, it's not going to stay down. Well, it will, but not for as long as the time. When you tie it, it'll stay. So I'm going to do them edges now. I tell you, say this would this make it stick. But I only recommend to use this on your edges. Use this on your edges. Watch ya, the brush drop. Alright. Now look, my edges them well laid, and it don't tie down it. So just imagine when it tie down a trouble like a day. And the brush just a work good, but may I go back for my car, you see me? So all who don't know my car, when you go check out my video, look for my car brush, car edge brush, the best one yet. When I see them edges, they don't. We try the sideburn. Only thing about the sideburn. Like, girl. I'm back and I have my scarf. Like this scarf is long. I'm going to put it on my edges. I just admire my edges, brother. Like my edges, them edgy, never like me no problem today. So just like I wrap my scarf around it. Only can use anything on off. You see me? Nothing make me put it on good. Just one more say it there on my head and it all on my edges. That's all. And I'm going to curl my hair. So I'm putting it on there. We're going to rod. You can either plait the ends or rod it. But may I rod it or plait and rod it. I don't know. Yeah, do something. I know how to rod them already. So guys, if you want to see how I rod relaxed here, go and check out my video. That video is over 1k. Guys, thank you all so much. Go check out that video there and run up the views. So yeah, go check it out. I'm going to put in the card up here. So I'm gonna just click on it. You see me? So I'm going to take a small portion because they're small. I'm having enough, so. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around it. You see me? I want to think it's a look. Comment down below. Comment down below right now and tell me. Alright, make a plait it and write it. I think that's better. I'm just gonna plait the end there. I don't want too much curl. Well, more enough curl, but well, go on, so put those away. Make a plait it. At the ends. I do it like this. I don't even know. Maybe I'm just ready. I don't know. But yeah, the water is boiling by the way, guys. So I need to hurry up. And I know how me and the water go on. If you never see how I did this here start by myself, go and check it out. I'm going to be putting the card up here again. Everything me I put up there. So just go watch out what I did again. You see me? So yes. See there. I hate this. I hate this. Alright. We're going to do an next portion. Just do small portions. Small portions. Do small portions. Yes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Do small portions. Do small portions. Hey, I know some can't sing people, but I just occupy on the time, you see me? So, may I plait the ear on a light. I don't know if I'm not sense already. But guys, comment down below other videos that you want to see. I show me did see, me could never see me a post, but you know your girl come back. And may I pray to God say, not sick again. You see me? Cause I don't know what that sick, you know. Sick she can't be right. You see me? Why me I say that to my time? But you know say God I always make things work out for me. So I come back. You see me? Again. Alright, I'm done. I'm not say nothing more. Cause you see me too much, you know. So don't plait. Time to put on the rod. We're gonna get some sexy curls. We're gonna get some sexy curls, guys. If you want sexy curls, plait and pearl. I don't even know how to separate this now. Alright, put that back. Plait right here. What's that bump here? Don't miss my bump. Don't miss my bump. Please. And I can't talk to me now. My eyebrow them look goodish. Maybe if I zoom in, it's not gonna look so good, but look goodish. Bula. 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 You know them there? Brother, I don't know them there. Like, when they are primary school. Yeah, but hey, when you're there primary school, you know, at the best, you know. So, you know what you do, brother. You could not even remember yourself. All say something like, Kotai can't cut me into penny can't buy my shoes. They cut your eye and then say, me can't cut your eye, so I'm not sure. But then something there. I don't know then something there. Like, we did them the regular, always that things or something. Where you go? Let me see if I can remember now for tell you. Maybe we're not gonna hear this, but let's see. What we normally say at primary school. Um, we know at party, like when fights go on, and we don't want the person to fight, you know, but like they're not ready for fight. So we just say, hot party, who bunks it out? And the person bunks it out, and them supposed to lick first, or I not even know, but the person bunks it out, I think supposed to lick first, or them might get the first lick, them might go get the lick. I don't know, at party. I don't know when people are, you know, say, when me did go to school, I'm still go to school, but, you know, say, I'm old, so, when me did go to primary school, we never usually cuss bad word and something, you know. We just, you know, do the thing them. All if you not like the person, them always see them and come. Anybody in the way, kick them down. I would just kick the people them pitney, like. I'm going to show you how it look. So, see it here. Water is hot and I don't know my original. Wanna see that? Alright, so I'm gonna put here in there. So we got our towel here to grab this here, you see? Cause now I get bun like it last time. You see heater come on there? Ah. Watch out. That's why I'm should tie it up, you know. And this is I'm gonna tell you like I should take a before and after pic. Alright, so you see? When you pull out the cloth, you're going to get a much better one. Try them alone. Okay, so. Ooh. Short. Bouncy girl. The bouncy girl. So guys, just look. These are crumbles. So we basically finished everything. I'm just going to put some oil sheen in my hair. Alright, so put some oil sheen on my hair, isn't it? Alright, so we're gonna shake. Let's smell it though, smell. I know it's gonna smell it and it smells good. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, send your friend over here. Make sure view what's going on this channel. And this channel have enough things, so we wanna see it. You see me? So only just stay on the alert, turn on your post notifications, so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video, and you can be the first to comment because you know your girls answer the comments and she loves the comment, guys. Yeah, so let's have a chit chat in the comment section. Bye, guys. That's it. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Like, if you no comment, Make sure you like the video because you know watch the video and not like the video. Make sure you like the video, everybody, and make sure you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, it don't mean me no good. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notifications so you can see every time you upload a new video.